In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause updates on Windows 11. Pausing updates can be really useful when you're in the middle of important work, traveling, or using a limited internet connection and don't want a download or a restart to interrupt you. Just remember, this is a temporary measure. While updates are paused, Windows won't download or install new updates, including security fixes, until the pause period ends or you resume updates manually. Let's start by opening Settings. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard together. If you prefer using the mouse, click the Start button and select the gear-shaped Settings icon. Either method takes you to the same place. Once Settings is open, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Windows Update. This section is where you can manage how your device gets updates from Microsoft, see what's pending, and control when updates are installed. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the main settings page and not inside another submenu. Near the top of the Windows Update page, find the Pause Updates option. It may appear as a button or a small drop-down. Click Pause Updates to bring up your choices. This feature tells Windows to hold off on both downloading and installing updates until a specified date, giving you a predictable window where your system won't suddenly prompt you to restart. Next, select the number of weeks you want to pause updates. You can typically choose in 1-week increments up to the limit Windows allows, often as much as 5 weeks. Pick the duration that fits your schedule. As soon as you choose, Windows will confirm by showing a message like "Updates paused until," followed by a date, and you'll usually see a resume button appear, which you can use later if you want to end the pause early. During this pause, you won't receive new features, driver updates, or security patches, so choose the shortest window that still prevents interruptions. When you're done, you can simply close Settings. Your choice is saved immediately. There's nothing else you need to apply. Closing the window won't change your pause period, and your computer will continue running normally without pulling down new updates until the date you selected. That's all there is to it. You've successfully paused updates on Windows 11, giving yourself a stable, interruption-free period to focus on what matters most. When you're ready for updates again, just return to Windows Update and manage it from the same spot.